Hello and welcome back to Blocksy. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to install and activate the Blocksy Companion Pro plugin. The Blocksy Companion Pro plugin is included with your Blocksy Premium subscription and unlocks a myriad of awesome features for you to use on your website. To get started, open the My Account page from the Creative Themes website. Use the sidebar on the left to navigate to the Downloads section. On the right side of the screen, you'll have access to all of your subscription downloads. In this case, we'll download the Blocksy Companion Pro plugin. Click on the blue Download button to start downloading the plugin. A small pop-up will appear showing you your license key. Copy this key to your clipboard as you'll need it to activate the Blocksy Companion Pro plugin. After it's done downloading, jump back to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Click on Add New on the top of the screen, then choose Upload Plugin. Drag the zip file you've just downloaded over the Choose File button on the dialog box. And finally, click Install Now. And once the installation is done, click on the Activate Plugin button. Your previous settings should have migrated without a hitch. You're not done just yet though. You'll need to activate your subscription license to enjoy all the benefits that come with Blocksy Premium. Navigate to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard and click Activate License under the Blocksy Companion Pro plugin. Remember the license code you've copied earlier? Well, now it's time to paste it in the small pop-up window that appears. You'll be asked if you want to associate the current installation with your Creative Themes account. It is recommended that you do, as it will be easier to keep track of your active licenses. We're done. Blocksy Companion Pro has now been activated and you're ready to enjoy all the benefits that come with your Blocksy Premium subscription.